Challenge 3. Learning Management. Day 1. Categorization and Visualization. When you begin learning something, an overload of information can feel complex and confusing. However, if you organize and systematically classify that information, learning becomes much easier. The key concept here is categorization. Categorization is the process of grouping objects or concepts according to specific criteria, and it is essential not only for learning, but also for understanding context and concepts. For example, consider the periodic table of elements. The table arranges elements based on their common properties and patterns. Chemistry students don't memorize each element one by one. Instead, they learn through the periodic table by classifying elements according to patterns and properties. Even with many elements, they can understand an element's characteristics and predict the behavior of a new element using existing categories. Categorization is a powerful tool in study strategies. When learning, it's important not just to list information, but to think about how to classify and connect it. To do this, you can use a mind map to categorize concepts visually or organize your notes with colors and icons to maximize learning effectiveness. When I write a book or plan something, I first sketch the big picture with a mind map and then break it down into details. It may feel unfamiliar at first, but after a few tries, you'll find it both intuitive and convenient. Another method is visualization. All information is received through our senses, and among them, visual information elicits a more immediate response than text. Viewing a clear, concise diagram or illustration first makes it easier to grasp complex information and lowers the barrier to learning. When an image captures your attention before text, it reduces psychological resistance and enables faster and clearer understanding. Placing key visual elements in the top left corner of your notes can enhance intuitive comprehension. Crucially, rather than using others' diagrams, you should reconstruct information in your own words and draw your own diagrams by hand. Textbooks contain vast amounts of information. Instead of rote memorization, reconstructing the content in your own way, expressing it through your own diagrams, greatly enhances creativity and memory. This process not only conveys information, but also connects it to emotion, deepening recall. A self-directed visualization process is far more effective than simple memorization or parroting someone else's words. Visualizing information in your own way is not only a tool for boosting learning effectiveness, but also for enhancing your thinking and problem-solving skills. 3 categorization learning strategies. Use a mind map. Strategy: organize learned material visually by connecting concepts. Practice. 1. Create your own categorization-based study strategy by subject, by plan, or other criteria. 2. Organize and summarize your day-to-day using categorization. Thank you for listening.